I'm Elizabeth, and welcome to a full venue tour of Oris and Oak. In 2019, David and Teresa Hare purchased this property with the hopes of preserving one of the community's most iconic landscapes in the historic Bluff Park neighborhood. In 2023, it officially became known as Oris and Oak. The oak tree on site is the property's crown jewel. We are one of the few outdoor venues in the heart of Over the Mountain, Birmingham. We are located just 10 minutes from the downtown Birmingham area. The whole property is beautiful for wedding day moments. When you enter the property, you will see well-manicured trees lining the white picket fence. The picket fence leads right up to the barn. The 5,000 square foot, fully air-conditioned barn is where we host the reception on your wedding day, with big barn doors that slide open for the reveal inside. There is plenty of space for you and your guests to eat, mingle, and dance the night away. The ceremony space is located in the large open-air pavilion that we call the Grand Pavilion. This 3,700 square foot pavilion offers plenty of space with the ability to host up to 250 guests in total on your wedding day. Great areas for photo ops include the picturesque pond with the white bridge and dock, the rolling meadows, and the fully covered bridge located just right outside the barn. For getting ready, there is a house on the property that is a fully renovated 1940s farmhouse. It has a full kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, washer, dryer, and a large room complete with salon chairs and lighting for your hair and makeup. Thank you so much for joining us at Oris and Oak, and we hope to see you soon.